Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply a payment in Netsuite 2025. Make sure you watch till the end for the full guide and let's get started. First things first, open up Netsuite. Once you're in, search for the payment you want to apply to an invoice. Now, after finding the payment, double check that you're looking at the right invoice. You'll notice that some of the payment has already been applied, but there may be some left unapplied. If you want to add more to the payment, simply click Edit. When the page loads, check the invoice and then click Save. The balance will be applied automatically. Once everything looks good, click OK to confirm your payment will be applied to the correct invoice. And that's it. You have now successfully applied a payment in NetSuite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always.